Brewers fever now. Milwaukee's most popular scavenger hunt is now in the books. Many Brewers fans were looking for Polish, the racing sausage, after he went missing.
Nick Montez was among the crazy crowd of fans at Miller Park.
A lot of fun out here at Miller Park for diehard Brewer fans who were up early to look for Polish, the racing sausage. He had been missing, but today he's been found.
Fantastic. I'm so thrilled I got one. I'm 100% Polish.
As the saying goes at Miller Park, the early bird gets the gnome. Diehard Brewers fan Sharon Rospenda showed up the last 3 mornings just so she wouldn't miss this year's scavenger hunt.
I went to Wednesday's game. They said, "Where's Polish?" I'm like, uh-oh, it's going to be coming up. Maybe Thursday I came, Friday I came, but today when I came and the gates were blocked, I knew it was the event.
Brewers fans scooped up 2,000 Polish gnomes in about 90 minutes. They were placed throughout the lawn and parking lot of Miller Park. Attached to them, free tickets to a Spring Madness game and other good deals.
Why do you continue to come out? I mean, it's kind of early.
My husband.
Brandy Bargender likes the Brewers, but her husband is a fanatic. Getting up before the sun paid off for them.
I got my Polish sausage statue and I got tickets to a Brewer game, so I can't go wrong with that. I love the Brewers.
It was that love that had this young fan getting to the ballpark in her PJs. She didn't mind the cold.
It's really fun to be out here and I hope everybody got one.
But not everyone did. Perhaps they'll have better luck next year.
I came out too late. They already had them. They're already all gone.
If you did not get a gnome, but you would like one, they're sold at Miller Park. At Miller Park, Nick Montez, today's TMJ4.
Or you can hunt Nick down. Clearly,
Clearly he has one. I don't know.